Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'll be showing you a bunch of kick shots that will come in handy in a game. So we're going to start off with something like this. Just like this. Now, a lot of people try to kick at this ball like that, which could work, but it takes a lot of effort, and it's a lot harder than you think to kick and stick from that angle. And first we're going to talk about what a kick and stick is. So we're removing that blocker ball. So right here, if we have a little bit of an angle and we hit with top spin, you see after the hit, the cue ball sticks. So we kicked and the cue ball sticks. Now if we have a heavy angle like this, top spin will not stick. When we have a wider angle, we need to throw backspin in order for the cue ball to stick. So you can use this kick and stick rule when you're trying to play safe off of a kick, because your odds of making a kick like this are very low. Maybe unless you're coming from this way, this is the way where like you could make it. Like this is the direction you could make it, but it's harder to hit it and not make it there. Now this one, what we're going to try to do is just come off this rail, then this rail, hit the 3, it's going to go past the 8, and our cue ball should stick or come a little bit off to the left, and hopefully get safe behind the 8. So since we don't have a lot of angle here, to get the kick and stick, you're going to have to hit with top spin in this one. So this one is a definite top spin shot. Hardest part is getting a full hit on that 3 ball. You want to hit that 3 ball as full as possible coming off of this rail. You want to come off of this rail and hit it full in the face, or just a little bit to where the cue ball leaks out to the left, to my left. The camera's right. So it's just top spin in this case. If you add any unnecessary like side spin, you see I added right there. It'll leak out. So we're just adding some a little bit of top. You'll see the cue ball spinning after it hits the object ball. That's just its reaction off of the rail. I didn't actually add any English to it. But our goal is just to leave the 3 ball down there and our cue ball down here. So just like that, that's like a safety shot. We call that a containing safety. So you don't actually hide both of the balls, but you put it in a situation where your opponent's not going to try to bank that. Honestly, they're not going to try to bank that one. But let's look at a new shot. This one right here. Let's say we're stuck behind the 8 and we want to pocket the 3. Now since the 3 is close to the pocket, this is one that we want to either make or play an amazing safety on and leave the cue ball like locked up to another ball. There's no containing safety for a hanger. I may be proven wrong in the comment section, but what I'm thinking right now, there's no containing safety for a hanger. So, this one right here, we cannot obviously make it. One way we could go is up and down, which would be the preferred choice here, because it's an easy make. But this one right here, let's just say we're blocked by some traffic. I'm basing this off of an old Efren Reyes shot. So Efren Reyes shot this one. So another route that you can take here, I mean, I guess you could masse around it and try to make the 3. But another way is going up here. Going 1, 2, 3. Coming down here and make the 3. And a little bit of running English is what helps you here. Now, we're going to have to hit probably in between the 2nd and 3rd diamond for this. So 2nd and 3rd diamond off of this rail with a little bit of running English, so a little bit of right spin. Should take us around 3 rails. One thing I need to watch out for, we don't want to directly hit the 3 ball full. We want to hit it on one of the sides, because if we hit it full, our cue ball will follow it into the pocket. So it's a good chance of scratching. But it's a better chance of scratching just coming one rail off of there. But 3 rails around the table into the 3 ball. So this next one right here, let's take our 3 ball and our 8 ball. Let's set up 3 ball here, cue ball here, 8 ball, another blocker, something like that. So right here you see we're trying to make the 3 ball in the side. Now we're blocked from directly making it, and we're blocked from kicking it from the back. Another way you could go about this, probably the easier way in this setup, is just to kick it in like that. Now, that is what you would want to choose in this situation. Like, I'm just straight up telling you that. Choose that one in this situation. But I'm just here to show you a second option for just in case moments. Because those always come up. This would also be a bank shot that you can play. So I'm just going to show you the general path of the cue ball that we want to take here. 1, 2, 3, up into the side. So the problem with it coming at this much of an angle, it gets harder as the angle goes out, because then you have to hit closer to that corner pocket and it ends up still going wide. So this shot is actually, once you get into this area, this shot becomes almost automatic. So you just have to hit, we want to hit close to this corner pocket. If we rebound around this area right here, that 3 ball is dead wired into the side. We'll be good to go to make that. Now you do, if you hit with just center, you'll be fine. You don't need any running English unless you're running a bit shallow. So if we have an angle like this, this is not one where we'd want to shoot just center, because we'll come up way too short. If we're closer to that rail, we want some running English on that to open up that angle that you see there. Also hit it hard enough to make the ball. So again, the harder you hit it, the more it'll shorten up, and the better chance you'll add some unwanted spin to this cue ball. If you accidentally add top, you're going to come up too short because you hit hard, and the top's going to take it forward. If you accidentally add back, pretty much the same thing. You're going to end up too short because you hit hard. But right here, 1, 2, 3, similar to the last shot, make the 3 ball into the side. Now this is back to how the first shot was. And this one is just a quick little explanation. If you cannot kick and stick at this, like you don't feel comfortable with the containing safety, or if you're playing 10 ball, just call the ball here, call out on the side. Every time that you make even a somewhat good kick at it, it's going to go near the side, if not in the side. So definitely try to call the side. See where your cue ball would end up. You see we played position for the 8 ball into the corner as the next ball, but just call the side, and 9 times out of 10, maybe 8 times out of 10, it'll work out for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. Thank you guys so much for 52,000 subscribers. That is an absolutely insane amount of people. 52,000 people watch this channel, and that is just a blessing for me, so thank you guys so much for that. Make sure you visit my website, DupreeTrickshots.com. If you want to order something from the shop, DupreeTrickshots.com/shop. We should have Dupree Trick Shots t-shirts on there next week in all sizes, and I got a few hundred of them, so we should be good. We got some rail stickers, we got some autographed balls, we got everything on there. So go and check that out. Link is down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.